Welcome to Restoring the Soul of Tuscany, a rustic farmhouse transformation. Imagine stepping into a picturesque farmhouse nestled in the rolling hills of Tuscany, surrounded by lush vineyards and olive groves. But this once charming farmhouse had lost its sparkle over the years and was in desperate need of a rejuvenation. A team of skilled artisans and craftsmen embarked on a journey to restore the soul of this ancient farmhouse. Every detail was carefully considered to preserve its rustic charm while incorporating modern amenities. The result? A stunning blend of old-world charm and contemporary elegance. The interiors now boast exposed wooden beams, hand-painted tiles, and delicate plasterwork, transporting you back in time. As the sun sets over the rolling Tuscan landscape, the renewed farmhouse takes on a warm glow, inviting you to experience the true essence of Tuscany. Outside, the overgrown gardens have been transformed into a tranquil paradise. Manicured lawns, blooming flowers, and a serene swimming pool create a perfect oasis to unwind and soak in the beauty of nature. The renovated farmhouse is more than just a picturesque retreat, it's a place for unforgettable moments with loved ones. Whether it's savoring a glass of Tuscan wine on the terrace or sharing laughter around the dining table, this farmhouse will become a cherished memory. Thank you for joining us on this soulful journey through the restoration of a rustic farmhouse in Tuscany. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories of architectural transformations and the magic they bring. Grazie mille.